Crypto airdrops are wild, and for those who know how to obtain them, can be insanely lucrative opportunities. I made over $8,000 in essentially free crypto by participating in what's called airdrops. And I'm not the only one. Lots of people made anywhere from $1,000 to $30,000 or more. And the crazy thing is, to do these airdrops, you don't need a lot of money, and in some cases, you hardly need any money at all. For example, during the Aptos airdrop, people made between $1,500 and $7,000. During the Uniswap airdrop, people made over $3,000, and I can verify I was one of those people. During the ENS airdrop, some people made $18,000 or more. And during the recent Optimism airdrop, some people made as much as $50,000. Needless to say, these types of opportunities can be wildly lucrative if you know where to look and guess correctly how to obtain them. And it also doesn't require taking massive risk or anything like that. The only thing it really requires is your time and willingness to go learn new stuff in crypto. That's it, and the people that go do this make thousands of dollars in free crypto. The people that are really good at it will make tens of thousands of dollars in free crypto. So what are crypto airdrops? Crypto airdrops are like rewards for early users of crypto blockchains, products, and platforms. Airdrops are a big part of many projects' crypto marketing strategy. Because people think that a certain blockchain or a certain platform might offer an airdrop in the future, they go and they use that blockchain or platform in the hopes of potentially earning some free crypto. It's sort of like how new coffee shops will offer free drinks on opening day to try to get people to come check out their coffee shop. Or how new software companies will operate at a loss for years and they'll offer their main product for free, figuring that when they have enough users, they'll be able to figure out a way to be profitable later down the line. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And as always, none of this is investment advice. None of this is me telling you that you need to go do these things. I'm not your mom, not your financial advisor. You don't need to just automatically copy everything I'm saying. You should always be doing your own research. You should always be learning on your own. And as an adult, you should take responsibility for your own actions. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe you have an airdrop you want to recommend, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified each time I release a video like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.